Imagine a fruit unlike any other, a true marvel of nature. A fruit shrouded in mystery, its story whispered through centuries and generations. This is the tale of the jackfruit, a fruit like no other. Its history is a tapestry woven from ancient lore and modern science, blending the old with the new. A fruit revered by kings, yet accessible to all from royalty to common folk. The jackfruit's narrative is one of intrigue, sustenance, and surprising versatility in cuisine. Prepare to be captivated by the jackfruit's enigma. Unravel its secrets and mysteries. Discover the nutritional powerhouse hidden beneath its unusual exterior, rich in benefits. Our journey begins in the cradle of civilization, where the jackfruit story first unfolded and spread.
India, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and diverse cultures. A land steeped in tradition, where ancient rituals and customs are still alive today. It is also the birthplace of the jackfruit, a fruit that has been cherished for centuries. For millennia, the jackfruit has thrived in these tropical landscapes, growing abundantly in the warm, humid climate. Ancient scriptures and texts mention its existence, highlighting its importance in the diet and culture of the people. Royalty favored its unique flavor, incorporating it into lavish banquets and traditional dishes. From the lush forests of the Western Ghats, the jackfruit's fame spread far and wide. Traders carried tales of this exotic fruit westward, sharing its wonders with new lands. It reached new lands, captivating palates across Southeast Asia, where it became a beloved ingredient in many dishes. Its journey continued, reaching the shores of Africa and the Caribbean, where it was embraced by local cultures. Everywhere it went, the jackfruit found a home, adapting to diverse climates and cultures, becoming a staple in many regions. This remarkable adaptability is a testament to the jackfruit's resilience, thriving in various environments. A resilience mirrored in its robust nutritional profile, rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, making it a valuable food source. Today, modern chefs around the world are rediscovering the jackfruit, using it in innovative dishes that celebrate its versatility and nutritional benefits. From traditional recipes to contemporary cuisine, the jackfruit continues to inspire and delight, a true testament to its enduring legacy.
Beneath its spiky exterior lies a treasure trove of nutrients. The jackfruit is surprisingly low in calories, making it a guilt-free indulgence. Don't be fooled by its sweet taste. It is a rich source of carbohydrates, providing sustained energy. Fiber abounds, promoting digestive health and satiety. And here's a surprise. Jackfruit contains protein. Yes, you read that right. This humble fruit offers a plant-based protein source, challenging conventional notions of nutrition. But the jackfruit's generosity doesn't end there. Let's delve deeper into the vitamins and minerals that make it a true nutritional powerhouse.
Section 5. The elixir of health and vitality. For centuries, the jackfruit has been revered for its health-promoting properties. Ancient cultures have long recognized its potential, incorporated their diets and medicinal practices. Its high vitamin C content makes it a formidable ally in boosting immunity. This essential nutrient not only helps ward off common colds, but also strengthens the body's defense mechanisms against various infections. The fiber in jackfruit aids digestion, promoting gut health and regularity. Consuming jackfruit can help prevent constipation and support a healthy digestive tract, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Its potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular well-being. Potassium is crucial for maintaining heart health, and jackfruit provides a natural source of this vital mineral. The presence of antioxidants helps combat oxidative stress, potentially slowing down the aging process. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and diseases. And the sustained energy provided by its carbohydrates makes it an ideal fuel for an active lifestyle. Whether you're an athlete or just enjoy staying active, jackfruit can provide the energy you need to keep going. The jackfruit is not just a fruit, it's a holistic approach to health and vitality. Its diverse range of nutrients supports overall well-being, making it a superfood in every sense of the word. But its wonders don't cease there. Beyond its health benefits, jackfruit is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Let's explore the jackfruit's culinary versatility, a testament to its adaptability and appeal. From savory dishes to sweet treats, jackfruit can be used in a myriad of recipes, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Whether it's used as a meat substitute in vegan dishes or as a unique ingredient in traditional recipes, jackfruit's texture and flavor make it a standout choice. Its ability to absorb flavors and its satisfying texture have made it a popular ingredient in cuisines around the world. So the next time you see a jackfruit, remember its incredible journey from ancient times to modern kitchens. Embrace its health benefits and culinary potential, and let it be a part of your path to health and vitality.
Prepare to be amazed. The jackfruit is not just any fruit, it's a marvel of nature that continues to astonish people around the world. The jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world, with some specimens weighing over 100 pounds. Imagine the effort it takes to harvest such a colossal fruit. It's a true testament to the wonders of nature. Its spiky outer layer, intimidating at first glance, softens as it ripens, revealing the treasure within. The transformation from a tough exterior to a soft, edible interior is nothing short of magical. In Southeast Asia, the jackfruit holds cultural significance, often featured in festivals and celebrations. It's not just a fruit, it's a symbol of abundance and prosperity, deeply woven into the cultural fabric of the region. Its sticky sap was traditionally used as glue, highlighting its practical applications beyond the culinary realm. This sap was a valuable resource, used in various traditional practices, showcasing the jackfruit's versatility. The jackfruit is a fruit of contradictions, imposing yet approachable, familiar yet full of surprises. Its journey from tree to table is a fascinating process, filled with unexpected twists and turns. As we delve into the conclusion, let's reflect on the jackfruit's remarkable journey through history and its enduring legacy. From ancient times to modern kitchens, the jackfruit continues to captivate and inspire, proving that it is truly a fruit like no other.
From the ancient forests of India to kitchens across the globe, the jackfruit story is one of resilience, adaptation, and enduring appeal. Its nutritional prowess is undeniable, a testament to nature's bounty. Its culinary versatility continues to inspire chefs and home cooks alike, pushing boundaries and challenging conventions. The jackfruit is more than just a fruit, it represents a sustainable future for food. Its ability to thrive in diverse climates, its minimal environmental impact, and its exceptional nutritional value make it a beacon of hope for a food-secure future. The jackfruit's legacy is one of health, flavor, and sustainability. The mystery of the jackfruit has been unraveled, its secrets revealed. What we have discovered is a fruit worthy of admiration, a true living legend. From its ancient origins to its modern-day resurgence, the jackfruit continues to captivate and inspire. Embrace the jackfruit. Explore its culinary possibilities, experience the health benefits firsthand, and let us ensure that the jackfruit's legacy, much like the fruit itself, continues to flourish for generations to come. The jackfruit story is far from over. It is a story that we are all now part of. Let us write the next chapter together,